Earlier I made two videos on YouTube Shorts. One was related to the tutorial and another one was related to the questions which you had related to YouTube Shorts. And since then a lot has changed, and since a lot has changed, so it's time for YouTube Shorts tutorial 2.0. In this video I'll explain how to get things done on the YouTube Shorts editor. Okay, also guys, if you are wondering how the final output would look like, then don't wonder, watch this. And this is how we are gonna do it. Well, this is the time for intro, and here we go. Hey guys, Sannidhya this side, and this is the place where we talk about digital marketing, personal branding, YouTube marketing, and a lot more things. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell so that you are the first one to know whenever I upload a video. Let me take you to my mobile screen, smartphone screen, and show you how it is done. Now we are at YouTube home screen, okay, and we'll click this plus icon, and then you can see that there's a create a short option. You just have to click on that, create a short. Oh, there's already one which I was already creating, so I'll just click on start new, and this is how it will look like. Now I'll just go ahead and record something. Yeah, that's it. That's what I recorded. Okay, and if you want, I can change it further. I can do this. Now we'll add text and do all the things which are there. So this tutorial is going to be a bit long, but this is what we are going to do. Now we have recorded all the chunks which we wanted. Well, now let me explain you what you can do. You can click on this flip icon just in order to flip the particular, see, I got you. So in order to flip the particular camera, okay, and it will showcase the rear view and the front view. Okay. And then there's speed button, basically speed, what speed does basically. If you click on 2x, then it will start recording at a faster rate. And if you click on 0.5x, then it will slower the rate. Simple as that. And the same will be done by 0.3x and 3x. Okay. Now the timer is basically, it shows that, how much do you want your YouTube shorts to be. So basically the first one is the countdown, and second one is, as I said, how long you want your YouTube short to be. Maximum allowed is 15 seconds in this particular app. Well, I'll give you another way, or the way out of how you can increase it, okay, or how you can just make a YouTube short of 1 minute, almost 1 minute, and upload it. Well, this countdown is basically if you want to do hands-free, or you want this particular camera to be set up somewhere and then get into a position and then shoot it for you. So 3-second countdown timer, obviously it will count to 3 seconds and then start shooting the video. And 10-second self-explanatory, 20-second also self-explanatory. It will start shooting after 20 seconds. Okay, so let's start. See, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, that's it. So I have stopped it. Now all the sequences are there in the frame and I can't shuffle between them. So that's one demerit which I have from YouTube Shorts. But you can always have a workaround, and you can make your short in the Instagram Reels and then download it and upload it over here. Well, that was it on the camera which is provided by us. Now we'll go to next step, in which there are a lot of other things like adding music, adding text, and everything. Yeah. Now in order to add music, you'll just go over here and search for, or pick up any of these. Okay, I won't be picking up any of these because there would be a copyright claim, but you can pick up any of these, and then your audio will be replaced and it will be used. The music which you have selected would be used. Okay, coming back, then I want text. Okay, so the text would be, what should I type as a text? Okay, so I'll just watch the video. Okay, well, I have follow Gary V. Okay, I'll just type one tip. Okay, and then I can do a lot of things. I can change the font type, I can do a lot of things, and then I can highlight it. Okay, this one looks good. I'll just do this one, and then a couple of other ones. I'll add more text. Yeah, also in order to add text, okay, also in order to add text, you will have to click AATEXT, which you can see in the footer basically. And if you click on that, then basically it opens up, and you can also just tap on the screen and it will automatically open up the video editor. Okay, I'll just decrease the volume because I don't like this sound anyway of my own. So I'll just decrease the sound. Anyway, so one tip. Now I just want to change the color. This is how I change the color. Yeah, follow. I'll just put it over here. Then okay, done. Okay, I've done these 3 things. Okay, now what I'll be doing is one more thing. Yeah, also I want at the end to share. So this is what I have done. Yeah. So all the things now I have sorted. Okay. What all I wanted, all the things I have typed. Now is the time for the timeline. What timeline would do is it will help you showcase, or it will help you actually make the text appear as well as disappear on a given amount or on the given set time. Okay. For example, when I'm pointing on a particular, like at a point in a particular screen, that particular text should appear. So how it will happen? We'll just go to the timeline. Okay. One tip. Okay. This is how. Then follow. Okay. Then Gary. Okay. Then Vaynerchuk. Okay. So this is how it is done. Now I can scroll up and put the share at the end. Also, I would want these to disappear after one point of time. So this is when they all would disappear, as well as one tip. Okay. And done. Sorry. Yeah, I'll have to just put this over. Done. Okay, they are a bit off, and I'll just go and adjust them because they look a bit odd. Done that. One tip. Follow Gary Vaynerchuk. Okay, obviously they are again a bit off. I know that. So I'll just put that over here. Done. Yeah, they are still a bit off, but it's fine. So yeah, this is how it looks. Then I'll go to next, and that's it. And then I'll put the title. Yeah, that's it. And then I can just put upload, which is over here. And when I click upload, it will get uploaded. That's it, plain and simple. And this was the tutorial. That's it. Also, whenever you upload any video from the YouTube Shorts camera app, then you have to keep in mind that whenever it is uploaded, by default, monetization is not on, and you have to enable it. And this is how you can enable it. That's it. Also, one more thing, you need to change the description as well, because upload default description would be there, but rest of the things won't be there, as you can see. So you need to change you need to add a bit of a description over there so that your video also appears in the search bar. Okay, so there is one more way how you can upload the videos. Basically, if you think that the camera of the YouTube Shorts app is not doing justice to your face and you want to get it done through the camera app of your phone, then you can just record it through there and then click over here in the gallery option, and over here you can see there would be a lot of videos. You can just pick up one, okay, and then do next. But there is one limitation. Basically, you can't add more videos. You have to do that in just one shot, and then you have it on your screen, and then you can obviously make changes over here. You can add text, okay, or the same things which I already told you. So this is what is there in nutshell. Okay, now let's discuss about the pros and cons of YouTube Shorts camera app. Well, first one, let's discuss the pros. Well, there's only one pro, which is basically it's very smooth and there are a lot less bugs in comparison to Instagram Reels. So that's why I would recommend using this one. Now, what are the cons? First one is there's no voiceover, there's no music mix, okay? Either there can be an audio of the video itself, okay, or the pre-recorded one or the recorded one, or the music. There's no mix match, which is there in Instagram Reels. You can only record for 15 seconds. That's a very big bug which it has. So now I'm going to tell you how to upload a YouTube Shorts video which is of almost 1 minute. So how you can do it is just go to your desktop or go to your mobile, okay, and upload a video which is in portrait and in this dimension. Mark the dimension. Once you have it in this dimension, then you can upload it, okay, and just keep one thing in mind, which is in the headline give hashtag shorts, as well as in the description mention hashtag shorts, which is very important. Once you do that, everything is set. So your video would be recommended as YouTube Shorts and also would be displayed in that YouTube Shorts recommended section which appears over here. So I guess what's the best thing? The best thing is to make your YouTube Shorts or the video inside the Instagram Reels. And that's the best thing you can do. Also, if you have the access to TikTok and you're the fortunate one, then definitely go for TikTok. It's way smooth and I miss it. Now, there was one question which everyone was asking, which was, would you get monetization from these hours? Actually, the thing is, if you are getting your traffic from the shorts, or the source of traffic is shorts, then obviously you won't be getting that added into your monetization hours. And if you're already monetized, then would you be getting money for that? So if it is played on not as a YouTube short, then obviously you'll be getting money, or you'll be getting the payment. But if it is being played in that shorts section, then definitely not. or the shorts video recommended section, then definitely not. You would be able to generate revenue only and only if it is paid as a proper video by clicking or by coming through a notification or any of the other sources other than YouTube Shorts. Now, there were other questions as well. What about the copyright claim? Okay, so basically, if you are using music from the YouTube Shorts app camera section, which I already displayed you from over here, all the music which is available to be integrated inside your video, then obviously you are not eligible for any monetization from any source. But if you shoot a video and then upload it and it has some amount of music from any label, then obviously all the rules which were applicable earlier for a normal video applies over here. You can obviously the revenue would go to those people and they can give you copyright claim. That's it. So that was all for this video. If you like this video, then give me a thumbs up and also go ahead, subscribe to the channel and it will help me a lot. Also go ahead and share it with your friends who are thinking of making a YouTube Shorts and have been delaying it for a while. Also, you can check out these playlists. One is how to run YouTube ads in order to gain subscribers. Another one is on branding on YouTube. I would suggest watching this one first, getting your facts right, facts straight, and then watching this one because money is important. You can't spend money without knowing the basics. That's why. Anyway, bye bye guys.